everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your NewDay Amazon credit card account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the search box at the top, type in NewDay Amazon credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of your search results are displayed on the screen, click on this first link that says Login Amazon Credit Card Online Account Manager. Now, you'll find yourself in the login area of NewDay Amazon. Go and enter your username associated with the account at the right hand side of the screen. Type it in correct, and then if you'd like the system to remember your username, you can check this Remember My Username box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, remember to leave this unchecked. In case you've forgotten your username and you don't know what to do next, click on this Forgotten Username link at the top and follow the instructions to look for it. Once you're done typing it in, click on the Next button, and your username will be verified and you'll be instructed on the next page. There you'll need to go ahead and enter your password to your account. Simply click on the Login button after you're done and you'll be logged into your NewDay Amazon credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.